Pine Glo Products makes floor cleaning products and has done so since 1979. Family-owned business. We make products for Walmart, Dollar Tree, Dollar General, among the major retailers in the United States. Roughly, we'll generate anywhere from 25,000 to 75,000 bottles per day, and every one of those bottles comes across a Leibinger. We're very, very happy with it.
A Leibinger printer is the best printer I've ever sold, okay? I've been in the printer business for over 30 years, and I've worked on every brand of inkjet printer. Leibinger is the top of the line. When that thing starts up, it runs every day with no problems.
It's a requirement for us to have a manufacturing date on each individual bottle, and that's where we brought Leibinger in.
Startup and reliability. Installing the Leibinger printer, the setup is one of the easiest in the business. You can put that thing on the line. It's very easy to program. When they go out there to start up the machine, they want it to start up and work.
When we use the Leibinger printing system, it has a unique feature where the nozzles seal. So at the end of the day, since we only generally run one shift here, we do a shutdown, and it actually puts it into like a sleep mode. When we wake it back up in the next morning or shift, it starts up really well, and it reduces problems that we've had with other printers in the past.
Their nozzle plates are the best in the business. There's no stream adjustment. It hits the spot every time.
I would recommend Leibinger printers to any company that needs to have an efficient system that will save them money in the long run.